All right, we're gonna start with the CSC504A assignment 6. So to start with the 6.1, question 6.1, um, to create your own fx equals gx, gx can be an exponential or parabolic function, your own range, but more than 300 points from any range. What I did is that I think I could. I'm still using the same thing. This is x to the power 3 as its own function, and but the range in this time will be 500, so it's going to be more than 300. So x list we'll have the x list from 0 to I think 499, and then we'll have its corresponding y values. And then what we do is that we'll have to write those values out into a file. And what I did is that I'm separating them with a comma, so it's going to be a comma separated file, but I'm just writing them out line by line within a for loop. And then in a very similar way, when I read them back in, I'm going to read the same file line by line and split them into split them by commas, as well as getting rid of the new line sign, the new line symbol. So we'll be getting the result back into a dictionary. So you can see that this is a result coming back from it. So for 6.2, similarly to a 6.1, I think this 6.2 is actually a precursor of 6.1. But getting the results, local weather results, I'm picking up 5 cities: Falls Church, where I'm at, Los Angeles, New York, Harrisburg, and Santa Ana. And I'm writing the same file on this data in line by line into a file separated by comma, as then I'm reading them back in while splitting the comma and getting rid of the new line sign. So you can see that after this whole process, reading them out, writing them out, and reading them back in, I have the whole new dictionary with the same data as what we're showing over here. So the last one is to use the Open Weather Map API, and the part that's a little confusing with me based on the prompt is that I'm not supposed to use any external library, but I think I need to use some external library to make the API call. So I'm just using this built-in URL lib request, and I'm getting the data in, and I'm manually extracting the information based on the field names. So it will start with the field name and end at the either the comma or the closing square bracket. That's where it's going to be at. And then we're just going to be reading that the result of that intermediaries. I put them as a separate function called extract data, so we can do that. So what we'll do is that we'll write the whole data out while including the you can see it's also going to be comma separated from here, description, temp, pressure, and then I'll be extracting the data using this built-in function over here. So and afterward, the reading side is going to be pretty straightforward, and you can see that I'm getting the result out like such. So that is it for assignment 6.